Welcome back to Pi News World, your source for the latest updates, developments and important news from the Pi network ecosystem. Today we have an exciting update that is attracting attention across the Pi community. Pi Network is officially partnering with TOKEN2049 as the title sponsor of the Origins Hackathon. This partnership could be an important step for Pi Network, especially as the ecosystem continues focusing on developers, decentralized applications, and real-world utility. Main story. TOKEN2049 is one of the major global events in the cryptocurrency and Web3 industry. It brings together blockchain developers, entrepreneurs, investors, and innovators from around the world. By becoming the title sponsor of the Origins Hackathon, Pi Network is placing its name directly alongside a major international Web3 event. But what exactly is a hackathon? A hackathon is an event where developers and innovators come together to create new technology, applications, and solutions within a limited period of time. For Pi Network, this is particularly interesting because developers can explore new ideas that could potentially expand the Pi ecosystem. The Origins Hackathon can provide an opportunity for builders to develop innovative projects and demonstrate how blockchain technology can solve real-world problems. For Pi pioneers, the most important question is, what could this mean for Pi? First, it could increase visibility for Pi Network among developers and the wider Web3 community. Second, it could encourage more developers to experiment with Pi and build applications around the ecosystem. And third, successful projects could potentially contribute to Pi's long-term goal of creating a utility-driven ecosystem where Pi is used for real products and services. However, it is important to understand that being a title sponsor does not automatically mean that Pi's price will increase, nor does it guarantee any specific exchange listing or future valuation. The real value of this partnership will depend on what developers actually build, how many useful applications emerge, and whether those applications attract real users. For Pi Network, partnerships like this are significant because the long-term success of a blockchain is not only about the token itself, it is also about the ecosystem built around it. If the Origins Hackathon produces strong applications using Pi, it could strengthen the network's utility and give the community more reasons to use Pi in everyday digital activities. Conclusion. So this TOKEN2049 partnership is definitely an update that Pi pioneers should watch closely. The big question now is, what innovative projects will developers build through the Origins Hackathon? And could some of them become important applications within the Pi ecosystem? Let us know your opinion in the comments. Do you believe this partnership can help accelerate Pi Network's adoption and real-world utility? For more Pi Network news, updates, analysis, and ecosystem developments, subscribe to Pi News World, turn on notifications, and stay connected. This is Pi News World, bringing you the latest Pi Network stories.